Hello and welcome to Jacksmith. This is a game where you are a blacksmith, and it's made by the same people that made the Papa Louie games. As you can see up there and there. And then, yes, of course, all the ads and stuff that you would normally see. So, yeah, you're a blacksmith, you make weapons. And, your name. If you've seen, like, a lot of my other Papa's games, they have been just, like, one-off games that I do if I, like, don't know what else to do. But this one, it's actually going to be a full-fledged series. So, yeah, hope you're buckled in. Yeah. Oh, there's a story. Meet Jacksmith, a very talented blacksmith, and his furry apprentice, Scout. Jacksmith enjoyed his job, but horseshoes and hinges weren't paying the bills. It's a tiny carrot. Across the lowlands lived the royal Plump Feather family. It's a great name. King Plumpfeather and his wife Hildred have ruled over the land for many years. Beyond Alpine Ridge lived a lonely wizard named Dudley. He's a rat. He was obsessed with the king's beautiful daughter, Liliana. Using his powerful phoenix staff and a barrage of elemental spells, Dudley kidnapped Liliana and amassed an army of vile creatures. The king set a reward for any brave soul who could save his daughter. Jacksmith, who desperately needed the money, packed up the forge and hit the road to save Princess Liliana. Liliana, whatever. Jacksmith could craft a flawless weapon, but using one is not his specialty. He's going to need some help. Alright, game time. X. Alright. Hey, buddy. Are you telling me bad guys are afoot? Sir, you called the local soldiers. Oh, he follows my mouse around. You called the local soldiers to your cause. Click to take a weapon order. Order. This pig is a swordsman. You need to craft him a sword. He said right there. Okay. You have 4 crafting stations in your workshop. You choose this station to use. Click this. You can only craft swords right now. Click to start building. Click this mold to create a long sword. You'll learn molds for other swords as you travel. Oh, nice. You first need to choose a metal. You'll earn metal ores to use later, but right now you have an unlimited supply of copper. So, well, that's convenient. Wait for copper to melt. You can also pump the bellows to make the metal melt faster. Metal is very slowly. Pull the chain downwards to pour the sword mold. If you pull too fast, the metal will spill and your sword won't form correctly. So, gentle is what you're saying. Gentle. There we go. That's a beautiful sword. You need a hammer. You need to hammer a sword to sharpen its edges. Click along the edges of this sword to hammer. Pow. This one 18, so try to space your hammer and make it all around the sword blade. Tap. 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 Great. Right at the tip. Bang. Bonk. Bonk. Bonkus. Bonk. Bonk. Good. Bonk. Bonk and bonk. Hey, pretty good hammer. You build the handle of the sword by dropping parts onto it. First drag and release a guard onto the sword. What is this? Okay, and mouse is there. Perfect. You strap a grip onto the sword. Try to line up the parts correctly to make the sword more durable. Yeah, awesome. Strap a cap onto the sword to finish the hilts. Yeah, perfect. Quick finish to deliver the sword to a waiting sword. Finish. Take your sword. You can see how well you crafted the sword here. 109. Really, you had to go and do that. Wait for 3 soldiers today. Take this soldier's order and start building another sword. Alright, craft the sword. 1 sword. Copper. Is that copper always infinite? Each weapon has 2 main stats. Power, how much damage it deals, durability, how long it lasts before breaking, Better metals will create weapons with more power and durability. Oh, that's nice. I wonder if that copper is like always going to be infinite, or if it'll be limited after this. I hope it won't be. If you hammer poorly, the sword won't have as much power in battle. Hammer evenly around the edges to get the maximum power of the sword. I feel like I should be more wary of this going down, but whatever. That's future me's problem. I don't care about future me. Oh, this is not great hammering. I say as it says great. So there, and there. If you build the sword handle crooked, it won't have as much durability. Okay. Perfect. Great. And then slap it. Awesome. Alright, there. Take the sword. 198. Alright, we take slightly worse than the last one, but you know, we don't care about him as much. Alright. Now it's this sword. Then it's time to go. One sword. Cooper. Melt to the metal. Melt faster. Right, and then pull. Not too fast though. Or else it'll be odd, I guess. I don't know. Alright. Boop it. Boop. Boop. Bad. Beep. Oh. Slightly messed it up. But it's fine. We'll give him a decent sword. He doesn't need a good sword. He just needs a sword to get the job done. You know? Place. Perfect. Place. Awesome. And place. Perfect. Beautiful sword. 199. Again, I can't get perfect hundreds. Time is money. If you complete these weapons quickly, any time remaining on your bonus meter will reward you. Oh, that's what that was. Well, I should have probably gone a little bit faster. Soldiers are going to battle when using their weapons. How well you built weapons determines how well they'll perform in battle. Monsters will drop loot and attack. Move your mouse over the drop items to collect them. Oh, gems. I guess that's metal I can use. Get them. Yeah. You learn experience points XP when a monster is defeated, and they'll spray extra loot further down the trail. Brilliant. Grab all the stuff. Each weapon's durability decreases when it's used and when a monster attacks. If durability reaches 0, the weapon will break and that soldier will retreat. Hey. So 2 down. Let me go. What was that thing I grabbed? It looked like a circle. I don't know. I guess I'll find out in a second. Get him, guys. Oh. Get him. Kill him dead. Yeah, for one. Yeah! If you defeat all the monsters on the day's trail, you can collect an epic weapon design and its parts from a treasure chest. Nice. We grab all that. Alright, epic weapon. Find a scroll with an epic weapon design. Nice. Level 1, newbie. But I leveled up to trainee. Ha ha ha. 5 XP next level. And I found a bunch of stuff. Alright, and then an ad because, you know, of course. It's a flash game. A new weapon, a bow. Simple bow. I'm assuming we're gonna have to be building some bows next. What is this? Alright. Alright, buddy, what's up? That dude, that, 4 dudes. All of the epic weapon designs you find are shown here. Click the bows icon to see your design. Yeah, here it is. Armor piece. Click on the design tab to see the recipe for this weapon. See the parts needed to build this weapon and a check mark if you have the parts already. See the bonus effect this weapon will give you here. +5 power for all soldiers. Nice. Bookmark the parts to keep track of what you're saving or building. Well, let's do that. Iron. I don't think I have that. But let me bookmark the parts there so I don't use any of this stuff. Alright, who are you? You want a bow. You now craft bows. Alright, simple bow. Oh, we don't have iron. We have bronze though. Collecting up or to craft a bronze weapon, it's even stronger than copper, but you have a limited supply. Oh, so I must always have infinite thing. Hello? Want to multitask? Back button and take other weapon orders and switch to other stations. Oh, sir, you want a sword? I can make you a sword. It has to be a copper sword. I don't have enough bronze. You'll melt quicker, so let me work on this. Plus, I know how to make a sword, and I don't know how to make a bow. I need more of the metal. And then see how this one's doing. Do that. Alright, bowman, you better take good care of this bow. I'm putting a lot of love into it. Alright, you also want a bow. Simple bow. Hey, we have enough bronze to make a thing. Yeah. Melt. Alright, pull the thing, but not too fast, or else it'll come out wonky, I guess. Alright, well, let's go with this one first. You need to stretch this bow. Drag both arms of the bow upwards and stretch the string. Try to make it straight to earn the maximum power for a bow. Stretch you, and stretch you. Alright. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hold on. Yeah. That looks pretty straight. Drag one of your grips onto the middle. Well, this isn't iron, and that's bookmark, so I'll put that there. First, drag an arrowhead onto the arrow shaft, line up to get maximum durability. Okay. Perfect. Drag a fletching onto the other end of the arrow shaft. Perfect. You can scrap the weapon at any time during crafting, which will destroy that weapon and restore all metal and parts of the inventory. I don't want to destroy this, it's a great weapon. To stretch it, well, it's a great weapon. 78 stretching. I thought I did good. Evidently not. Alright, stretch more on the bows, okay. Well then. Blink. Alright then. Now, I can use this. This gives 2 power and 2 durability. Well, I put it on all sorts of crooked, so that, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh dear, oh dearie me. Oh dearie. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Craft 5 weapons and 89 handle. It's better than the stretching, at least. This one will stretch better. One, stretch, stretch, unstretch. Oh, maybe. That. I said that. I'd say that looks good, but I said that with the last. That doesn't look straight. That looks pretty straight. Okay, let's see. Loop it. Loop it. And loop it. I'm good at making arrows. If I'm not good at the stretching, at least I can make good arrows. Perfect bow. All right, a lot better with that one. I didn't get any bonus. I'm awful. All right, go. I just realized I don't think I'm paying these dudes. Yell Snapper. I don't think I'm paying these dudes. Like, I don't know why they're agreeing to fight me. To fight alongside. To fight for me, I guess? I don't know. I guess fight for me would be the best way to say it, because like it clearly in the beginning it said I'm broke. So like I don't think I'm paying these dudes. I think Jesus. So I don't think I'm paying them, and I don't think I'm really gonna mention them at all. They're just along for the ride, I guess. I don't know. I guess I shouldn't question a game about saving a princess from a rat while I'm I don't know, making weapons. Come on, guys, get them. You can win. I know you can. And you ran away. You were one away from actually getting glory. But no, now you'll just be written as a coward. Yeah, another design. Battle complete. Alright, level 2. 13 XP, that means you leveled up. Apprentice. 7 XP to next level. I got a lot of stuff. And another scroll. Another ad, because, you know, why not? Cannonball. Is that a battle axe? I can make a battle axe? I want to make a battle axe. Yellow. That dude, 2 of those dudes. A spider. Oh, why does that have to be a spider? Hello? Who are you? Hello, guys? Hello? Hello there. I've got some items in stock if you need to buy anything. Over here, click to visit Gander's shop. Okay, so I can buy things. Nice. I have 100 gems. Like them on Facebook and you get 100 gems. So I am not going to do that, because, no. Shields, holds. Wait, does that imply I get to make shields in the future? What are you? Why are you an octopus? Why do I want to buy this, but it's too expensive? Well, I can buy ores. I can buy bronze, if I feel like it. And caps. Alright, well, hold on. A charm blade. Oh, and I can make it. What are you? What is this? What exactly is this? I'm making it. You're a bowman. From what I've seen, a sword takes 10 bronze, so how much bronze do I have? 30. I can make a bronze bow and a sword. Melt! I'm gonna try to go faster this time, so I can actually get like a thingy. You know what I'm talking about. A bonus, that's the word I'm looking for. Yeah. Where you... A sword, man. Well, buddy, have I got just the thing for you. Melts. Now I'm gonna melt this. Then I'm gonna go back to work on the bow. Alright. Back to bow. Stretch. Perfect. Now, I don't need any of those for any special things, so I'll make that. Oh, another sword. I'll make another bronze one if I have enough, which I do. I don't think I can make 2 of the designs. I don't know if it's banned by the game or if I just don't have enough things, but if I can make 2 of the charm blades, I will. The legendary blacksmith with 2 charm blades. So back to making an arrow. Boop. And boop. Perfect. Finish. Yes, I know, I'm amazing. Thank you. Come on, you need to go faster. Come on, hurry up here. Okay, swing. the thing? Well, it's this. That looks awesome. I didn't put it on perfect. What do I need to put on this? The GE36. You are GE36. Want. CP12. CP12. Yeah. Epic weapon. You crafted sharply. Those 5 leaves, I guess. Create a weapon using an epic weapon design. Nice. How much is that? 93 on the handle. I'll take it. Whack, 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 whack. Slightly messed up on the whacking, but it's fine. Ooh. Whack. Alrighty then. I don't have any cool stuff anymore. Yeah, I really can't make it. If only I was better at making the handle. I'm so bad. I'll use this one because you give 3 power. Perfect. Alright, 25 power. Alright, buddy. 85 weapons using bronze. Alright. Into Vassal. And I got a bonus of 21 gems. Yeah. Craft all out weapons out of bronze on a single day. Yeah. And I'm getting gems for doing these things. Cool. You can now help your troops by firing cannonball. Click here, press 1 to fire a cannonball at a monster. Ooh. You need to wait for your cannonball to recharge before you can fire again. Oh, nice. Fire! Alrighty. That'll help. Get him. Yeah. Grab all this. More bronze. Fire! Oh, now I'm actually helping instead of just sitting back here. Oh, I like how you can actually see where my cursor is. Oh, they were dead when I shot that. Poor timing, Will. But it's fine. Kill the spider. I hate spiders. Like, if there's a spider in my house and I see it, I'm not gonna, like, put it in a cup. I'm not gonna spare it. I am murdering it. I'm burning it to a crisp. Alright. More stuff. He just swung his, like, sword just out of victory. Yeah. Level up. I'm Cannoneer now. Level 4. Next pixel. I found a bunch of stuff. How long have I been? One more day. Let's go for one more day. New weapon. Oh, yes. Battle axe. I know it says double axe, but it's a battle axe. Is that? I have to fight a boss this early into the game. A bee and a spider. 5 enemies. A deer. Barbarian. I commit iron. That means I have iron now. Was it power to all soldiers? Oh, yeah. I can bookmark this. Oh, I can bookmark both. Oh, lovely. Well, I don't have any of this stuff, and then you leave. I don't have anything for that, but I just got that. So, you would like an axe? You can now craft axes. Axe. Right, you take 10 bronze. Make it out of bronze, because I need iron for the thingy. Actually, hold on. 1 second thought. Need for the metal. So what? Another axe. Okay. Go back real quick. So let me unbookmark that. make this one out of copper. I know it's unfortunate, but you know, it has to happen. It is how it is. Okay. Build the axe head by attaching all three parts to the center. Drag them. Drag each blade and spike and release when it's against the center. Keep them straight to get maximum power for an axe. Alrighty then. Another axe. Is this just like an all axe day? Like, I'm perfectly fine with that. Like, I don't know if there's like another dude coming. Wait. 0 more. Alright. That means I can scrap that. And I can make this one out of iron. So we'll have a bronze, copper, and iron axe. Melt! Melt fast. I'm pumping this as fast as I can. Right. Nice music though. Alright, so this axe head right there. This one right there. And this right there. Alrighty then. Need to build a handle for the axe. First drag a pole and drop it onto the axe. Keep it centered for maximum durability, otherwise it will land crooked. Okay. Perfect. Then work end cap on the one of these. Perfect. And then this one because I think it looks cool. Oh, perfect handle. Alright, buddy. You have a good at 99 on the construction. Come on. Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta be like that? Alright, anyways. Then add it. Good. And pull. Nice. Nice. Then you. Oh. Cool. If I do the next one fast enough, I'll get an okay bonus. Alright, go speed run. That's not straight, like at all. The other one was 99 on the thing too. Nice, perfect, nice. Place, awesome, less nice. Place, great, less nice. How's the handle? 97. Alright, that's good enough. He can live. Alright. How much about 5? Alright, I need to be quick faster with that. Alright. Go axe, boys. None of the little swings like the other. None of the little swings like with the sword dudes. Nah, these guys chomp on them. Wow. Yeah, I'm getting more iron, so if a sword guy comes, then I can deal with them. Nice last. Again, with the timing will, the years that the end of the world is coming. Do you just like try to shoot like web at us or something? He is a spider. It would make sense. Alright, you got this, guys. Bang. Oh, come on. It's die already. Uh-oh. That's bad. Will your weapons hold out? I'm sure. One of your weapons is gonna break, I know it. Well. Will we make it to the end? It's getting a bit iffy. starting to think we won't. That's bad. Come on, dude. You can do it. I made your axe with, like, luck. I hate you. I hate you. You won't always defeat all the monsters on the trail. If you would let me read that faster. Well, we're in Cinder Springs, I guess. I don't know how you pronounce that. Axe Grinder. 17 XP next level. And I found this stuff. It would have been better if we made it to the end. Guy. You know, it is how it is. I guess if I made it a little bit, beware, pig roast. And start seeing fire enemies today in Cinder Springs. These are stronger elemental enemies, but some weapons and parts will help with different elements. You know what? We're recording for 30 minutes. This has been a pretty good episode. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna end this episode here. So we did things, we made weapons, we won almost every battle. These axe guys should be ashamed of themselves. But, yeah. So I'm gonna end this episode here. Thanks for watching. Like this video, like below. Comment if you want to say something. I'll read and reply to as many as I can, and there should be a video popping up on the screen. Watch it if you want, I'm not your dad. And yeah, so I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Go.
Fuck.